Hey, this the whip game on PAIRADICE TV.
Well, sideways. Right.
Feeling good? Drifting. 2016 Mustang GT with the 5-liter Coyote, with the Gen 3 Coyote in this one. Caliber transmission and Vengeance clutch. I'm watching PAIRADICE TV.
Передній не взяв.
Він не багажник?
А?
Він не багажник?
О, в багажнику 2 колеса, не бачу.
Big car show energy coming your way. Here's a sneak peek of what's up next. And don't forget, we're dropping like food at a hibachi restaurant. Facts. So tell a friend to tell a friend that we're turned up for 300 more days of car show madness.
They've been waiting their whole life for this.
So subscribe and hold on as we do the dash for another 300 days. We decided to not only feature the MKE, but the whole damn Wisconsin. So if you're ahead of us there, stay thirsty, my friends. Or you could find something to drink. Gatorback throat is the worst. Reporting live from the Brew City 2, everywhere. You are now watching
PAIRADICE TV, baby, subscribe.
Brought to you by MKE's finest, PAIRADICE TV. And you dig it? Adios.